The next thing we've got is our swings and our push-up ladder. Now, hopefully, as you've been tracking along, you've seen enough swings that you have an idea of how that plays out. But what I wanted to do today was to show you how to make your push-up easier. So if you needed an easier variation, here's what you're going to do. You can use bands, and that's fine, but you can also use a box, a chair, a table, whatever. The big thing is you're going to find your plank. So if you hopped into a plank, you can do it on the ground, but you can do it in the air as well. I'm going to drive my shoulders away from my ears and send my hands a long way forward, send my head out of my shoulders, and then push hard through my feet and squeeze my backside. Now, if for some reason I can't do a full push-up, I'm going to hop into this position. And then if you imagine that I'm wearing a bra, I'm going to touch the band on the box and drive out, keeping a plank the whole time. So I'm not leaning my face forward to try and do something here. I am hopping into a nice tight plank, staying nice and tall, and then rowing down to the box and driving out. What's important is that the lowering, you keep your plank and you think about squeezing your shoulder blades together. So I am actually trying to do that movement with my shoulder blades, but while I'm connected to the box. So drive your heels down hard, squeeze your cheeks, and then row and drive out. Row, touching my imaginary bra band to the box, and drive out. Now to make it harder, you just lower the surface that's supporting you, and you do exactly the same thing. I'm going to start off, my hands on the edge of the box, staying nice and tall, shoulders away from my ears. I row and drive out. And if I've done my job well, the movement looks the same, it's just the angle that has changed. And then you can angle yourself all the way down to the ground. This is the same way that you progress a one-arm push-up if you're working on that.